Good morning, guys. This is Butch Ahmad. Welcome to Imperial TV. Today we're super excited about the toy drive that we're about to do. We're gonna be driving all the way to Katy, and then we're gonna go ahead and drop off some toys for some good peeps. Stay tuned. Hey, how's it going? How are you? You remember me? We're buying more toys. Okay. Hey guys, we're here at the toy store. We're buying a lot of toys for the kids at the Texas Children's Hospital. I'm so excited. That's gonna be cool. Let's make some noise. Hey guys, we're here in a kid heaven. I feel like a kid now. I'm really excited to get this stuff. It's so awesome. It's like, hey, what I want to be? Firefighter. There you go. Firefighter starter kit. Pretty cool. What? It says, try me? Girl, put your shirt back on. Like, oh my God. Oh, now we can try her. You're welcome. Now that was pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie, I really enjoyed every moment at that place. It reminds me of my childhood. Love it. Feels so good. And we just bought toys. Imagine when you actually deliver the toys. I was gonna put butterflies in my chest. That's awesome. I feel really good. Feel very, very, very good. You guys check out Adrian for performance, off-road and performance. Oh, from
Extreme Off-Road Performance.
Yeah, yeah. Long night last night. How many drinks do we have? Couldn't count.
Yeah.
Tell us more about your place.
So what we do here, we do a lot of automotive customization, anything from trucks, Jeeps, cars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, pretty much any and everything you can imagine as far as simple, basic, ceramic coatings, window film to high performance upgrades. If you have anything that you need to juice up a little bit, we can always help you out with that. If you just want to make it your own customized vehicle, that's what we're here for, Extreme Off-Road and Performance.
Nice, nice. So you guys should check them out. Put the link below, click on it, and check them out.
Appreciate it, brother.
Thank you so much. Give me a tour.
Yeah, sure. These are obviously a lot of, Bagwell, William Rogers, Mario Williams, DeAndre Hopkins, obviously, vehicles. Hey, Madison. We, a lot of work we've done with customers. So obviously a lot of our builds that we've done that made photo shoots, covers of magazines, lift and level, trucking magazines. Just come a little bit of stuff over the years. This is probably probably about 10% of the trophies that we've collected over the years. We just had so many of them, we end up either giving them away or donating them. So yeah, it's kind of wall of fame.
Hey guys, I'm gonna give a shout out to Extreme Off-Road and Performance for having us together. We're gonna go ahead and rise that toy drive event, and for good cause, of course, and for the holiday spirit. I'm amazed by what they have. The facility is just so unique. It's different. It speaks of its success. Thank God, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. I'm very impressed. Shout out to them. Try to follow them or put the link at the bottom. Extreme Off-Road and Performance here in Houston. Check them out. Hey guys, it's time of the year again. It's Christmas. Let's make it so special for the one in need, especially kids. And don't forget to subscribe. Imperial TV. All right. See you guys. Ciao. Today is going to be a very exciting day. We're going to the Texas Children's Hospital to donate the toys. Let's put some smile on some kids' faces, shall we? So how are you?
I'm doing good. Good, thank you.
Sorry, I didn't bring the back little box.
That's okay, that's okay. Yeah, this will be perfect.
Are you okay with all this?
Yes, this is fantastic. On behalf of all of our patients and families, we just want to thank you so much. This is going to bring so many smiles and just make their day a little bit better since they have to be here. So we truly appreciate it, and I know they'll be excited. So you can donate by contacting me, Ellen, at 832-822-4892. And I'm happy to help coordinate a drop-off like this or any other ideas you may have or donations that you'd like to do.
It's my pleasure. Hopefully this pandemic will be over with, and then
I know.
we'll
Maybe
do
next
another
year you guys can come up and do it yourselves. That
I
would
was
be great.
excited to see kids, but maybe next time.
Exactly. Yep.
Sounds good.
Awesome.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Take care. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Hey guys, this is it for tonight. Not for you too. You need to work. Just kidding. Anyways, hey, I'm so grateful and very thankful for the Texas Children's Hospital for allowing us to do such a goodwill today at the Texas Children's Hospital. Kids are my serotonin. They make me happy. So I hope I put a little smile in the kids' faces today, and maybe we'll do that for the next, as long as I live. I want to thank also my TV producer for allowing me and helping me accomplish such a goodwill. Thank you so much, Pablo, for everything, and thanks to everybody, and thank God. Guys, I'm blessed. That's it for tonight. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.
Ciao.
Don't forget, subscribe to Imperial TV. Ciao. Till next episode.